ready to listen.
You ready?
I'm ready. Tell me what the book says, please.
Peacock allowed to go make a sandcastle.
Okay.
His mom made me a sandcastle. Look at the sandcastle.
Oh, I see it. Yep.
That's fun.
That is fun. Tell me what comes next, please.
Okay. I like to go surfing. I said, no thank you.
He doesn't want to go surfing?
I want to throw the ball. He said,
Okay. Then what happens?
okay. I want to start the car.
Oh.
He said, you ready, car? Okay. You ready, car?
Then what happens next?
I like to get out of water. No, thank you, Mom. I want to hit the ball. I want to go surfing in the water.
Oh, okay.
And I want to go surfing in this place. I want to go stand up. Stand up. Peacock? No, stand up.
Then what? This is a good story so far. I can't wait to hear what happens next.
I want to make a sandcastle. Be bad monster come get my bug.
I don't think a monster is going to come get your book. Can you tell me what happens next in the book after they built the sandcastle? I'm curious to know what comes next.
Be bad robber come and get my bug.
What happens after they build the sandcastle? Can you tell me about that next?
The monster.
No, go back to that page, please.
Why?
Because we weren't done with the book yet.
This one?
Yeah, go back to the page about the sandcastle. Tell me what happens next.
There, this one. I want to make sandcastle. I said,
Then what?
I want to go surfing. No, thank you. I want to see palm tree. This palm tree.
Oh, I see the palm tree.
This one?
Sure.
I like to go surfing. Is that? I want to go in car. Said. This one?
Sure.
I like to go surfing. I like to stand up. Yeah, that's right.
That is right. Yeah. Great. This is a really good story so far. I'm enjoying it. Now what?
I just turned the pages around.
Okay, turn a couple pages. Tell me what happens next.
Oh no. Peacock there. Peacock there. Oh no, my story. My story went away. My story. Oh no, Peacock there too.
Okay, then what?
Right there.
Is that the end of the book, Claire?
No,
How does the book end? What happened at the end?
Because I just closed it.
Right, but what happened with the end of the story? That's the beginning of the story. What happened at the end? Did Pete decide to go surfing or did he decide to not go surfing?
Not go surfing.
Are you sure?
No.
Tell me what happened.
It's in the up. If I go.
All right. Thank you for reading to me.
No, I'm not ready for reading you. I'm still reading.
You're still reading?
Yeah.
All right.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Peter Cat.